Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wimms Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing another Jamaican authentic cuisine.
Now, as you all know, Jamaica's motto is out of many one people, and that's because of the number of different ethnic groups that influence our cultural heritage. And so today, I will be doing a meal that is inspired by our Chinese heritage. Today, I will be doing chow mein with a Jamaican twist. Now, if you've been following what's going on in social media, you know there is a craze for noodles. My daughter, Danielle, asked me to prepare this meal, and so I am sharing it with you. So guys, I've sliced and seasoned and fried my tofu and the jumbo beef sausage on all sides. To that same pot, I've added some shredded cabbages and stir fry. While this is being stir fried, I'll share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Psalm 68, verse 4 to 5. Sing to God, sing in praise of his name. Extol him who rides on the clouds. Rejoice before him. His name is the Lord, a father to the fatherless, a defender of widows. It's God in his holy dwelling. And so I pause to wish all my dads a very special, wonderful, happy Father's Day. And especially to my dad, Wilbert, an extra awesome Father's Day greeting to you. My grandfather, brothers, uncles, you all epitomize what it means to be an excellent dad. And to all my whimsical dads, Wimms Kitchen love you and embrace and celebrate you today. So guys, I've added some powdered season to the cabbage, allowing it to flavor the cabbage. In another pot, I've added some water, some chow mein seasoning, some green blended season, some pink Himalayan salt, and some garlic salt, guys. I'm gonna stir this in to dissolve it and allow it to come to a boil. After that, I've added my chow mein. Now, guys, this is Guyanese chow mein. I'm gonna add some carrots to that and allow this to cook. Now guys, this literally takes about 5 minutes to cook. So in the meantime, in another pot, I'm preparing for all the ingredients to be combined. So I've added some onions, some garlic, 2 sprigs of thyme, and I'm just stirring this into the butter while it melts to flavor my butter. Now guys, the vegetable and chow mein, they're all ready and they're ready to add to the pot. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Wimms Kitchen. I'm so happy to have you over here where we prepare Caribbean and Jamaica food. You can also make requests in the comment section on foods that you would like to see me prepare. Love and respect to my subscribers who have been with me from day one. Without you, it would not have been the same. So to the flavored butter, I've added the cabbage, the tofu, and the sausage, and some green and yellow bell pepper, and the drained chow mein with carrots. I'm just stirring this all in so that it can flavor the chow mein. Now guys, I'm preparing the sauce for the chow mein. I've added some stir fry sauce to the chow mein seasoning, about a tablespoon and a half, and some soy sauce. Stir this all in and then add a tablespoon of honey. Now guys, this honey gonna give it an extra special flavor. So next time you're doing your noodle, please include some honey. I've added the sauce to the chow mein. Now my daughter said, Mommy, you have to try it with the egg. This part is new to me, but why not go for it? So I've done 2 eggs sunny side up and I plate my noodles. Guys, this is awesome. This is chow mein, and I love this Guyanese chow mein because it's yellow, so it adds color to the meal. Now, guys, this plate, it look good, don't? My gumsy people, I've added the eggs. I've put some fresh tomatoes and green onions on the top of the meal. And guys, these green onions come right from out my backyard garden. I'm putting some black pepper on my eggs, and guys, there it is. It's another of my daughter's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto your table. It is chow mein, done by a Jamaican girl, Jamaican style. Before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Wimms Kitchen and like my Facebook page, Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Remember to share my channel with your friends. Invite them to subscribe to Wimms Kitchen. Turn on your post notification so you will be notified as soon as I upload a video, and leave your comment in the comment section.
Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen, where I did for you
Chow mein.
Jamaican style.